This is example 2 in chapter 1. We're talking about the difference between working and playing, really. Here's an example of work. Let's see what my hand does when I'm working. That would be work if I tried to do that in speed. Playing, or making it easier, makes use of the thumb to throw the hand to the new position. Instead of lifting up, sliding over, and setting down, I'm going to use one movement instead of 3. So from the first chord, I play the thumb. Very slowly now the thumb throws my hand this way. Notice I'm not moving this way. My hand moves this way. Really huge. This is really exaggerating. I turn back to play the next chord. So it's... And these are all right under my hand. And now look what happens when I play 5-3. I feel a hinge on 5, and it throws my hand this way. That's the rotation from 5 to 1. It's not this, but it's 5 to 1. So again, it's... And once you get that moving, it's so easy. Now, the other issue here in the second measure of this example, where I've changed the editor's finger, I believe the editor does this to 2-4. I don't like that stretchy feeling, so the editor does this to make this connection. But because we're moving through the thumb, we don't need this so-called legato connection. We have the pedal anyhow. So I do this. Thumb throws my hand over, back to the third, to the thumb, and from this thumb to the next third, which can be a little bit out because I'm on white keys. From black key to white key. Thumb. You can go to 5-4 here if you want to. I think I do 5-3. No, actually, I think I like 5-4 better, so you can change my fingering. But 5-3 also works. Now notice at the end of the measure, instead of doing this, in the smaller hand, going from here to here in these black keys, there's the tendency to want to do that, to crash into the black keys. I can learn to do it, but I would have to do what I call the scissors, put my hand in this position and move out. But now I have to go back in to play the thumb. So instead of doing that, I play those notes in my left hand. What fingering do I use? Let's see. Right. Now in the third measure, this is the first group. And again, it's the same thing. Even though I have a 3-note chord, that 5th finger is my hinge and throws my hand to the next thumb. Now again, coming back, my thumb throws the hand to the new chord. 5 throws me to thumb. There you have it at a moderate tempo. Example 2.